Hithata hanglu, proho we doing analu, hey Judah we awungaping, gala Jerusalem we miping, Israel we bare, saigoro we prohona kahangna. Yanglu apam hili hiaka zakashi ot aka shok nasaki kachi hili kashabing na kana matagra. Jeremiah kabisang tradichiko tuiza katum. Remake da achiwi kamataya pauping. Okrul Zonal Education Office Pamli Pom Hai Kami Otsakli Hunpun Gala Humpum Village Authorities na Makamaya Pongshok Haira. Police na FIR Tasang Haira. Manipurli Chief Minister's Coaching Scheme for Entrance Examination to Professional Courses launch Sahira. Manipur Sarkar na inner line permit ILP regulation kater chishat haira. Lekhayang tor achi the Tangkhul Express wipao Ringyaophi Ningshen ina pami dalei pao ping maisa ina nganangramsa. Okrul Zonal Education Office ZDO Pamli Pom Haimida Yarili Ning Kakarik Lengsa Kaira. Ochot Chili Hunpun Gala Humpum Village Authorities na Makamaya Pongshok Haira. Police Pau Atishurda Pungidangli Khalei ZDO Li Haikami Explosive Device Chi Hand Grenade na. Gala G Office Chiwi Chowkidar na Ngator Gate Kasholi Take a Queen. Grenade ji ngazinchong Imphal we eina kaka bomb disposal squad na donate sami hawa police na ochot jiwi FIR tasang haira. Explosive device hai kami ochot chili Ukrul Hunpun Village Authorities na condemn sahira. Jikata otsak jina yarui safety li sagaze mang maningla katam gas mga mavakapei wuivang later khalei institution we stability kala mga kavali threat ngasaya da Hunpun Village Authorities na kapishoka. Village Authority jina kahang rakara thought pingwe regasang hakasang wuivang ZDO office jina kamataya bakre ngasada Ukrul kala ring nai we kanui thought wuivang resources la guidance miya. Jitada sada institution chili attack saji community we kajihan kala ningachang ningrin leida khalei li attack kasana da hangsanga. Educational institution we sensitively saikorana kayashida khangaji le khangasak la yarui chingri gahaili hab khami otsak masakhavai Hunpun Village Authorities na hanghaira. Law enforcement nala kathaga action kuimida ochochi mathalak eina yangsang mikhavai kala khayon nali accountable sangsa khavai Hunpun Village Authorities na pohaira. Itumui apamli chingri kahai security kala hakasang raikasang kuiragi kachi hi katong kawi ot ngarutna kachi ochot hina phaningung sakranu da village authority jina hangsanga. Violence kala kamajidli makamaya khoka sada nganing kasa kala saikoro wuivang safe kasa mga khava apam semra kachi commitment reaffirm kasasa kachi kasat sanga. Zonal Education Office li hand grenade hai kami ochodli Humpum Village Authority kala thaiso nala makamaya pongshok haira. Jikata terrorist otsakchi district headquarters li shok chida khalei hi ning kharika kachi hangda otsak chili condemn kasa aina ngasoda concerned authorities na saklak aina yangsang mikhavai Humpum Village Authorities kala thaisona pohaira. Manipur with Chief Minister's Coaching Scheme for Entrance Examination to Professional Courses launch Sahira. Scheme G Durbar Whole Chief Minister Secretariatly CM Piran na launch samida Manipur Department of Education wi miping wazanga. Chief Minister na kahang katam nau ping wuivang kala katam kashi lui ramli katom kami sarkar na schemes kala project na tatay da mitale. Coaching scheme show kami hi state sarkarna state with civil service aspirants pingli kagatom sada civil service porikha thakhavai khangaran coaching classes wuivang scholarships miki kachi kasana chi. Kala katam now ping china civil service examination makan rlala coaching kasang china competitive exam kati wuivang la ngachonra kachi hanga. Manipur sarkarna Haupok Mikhavai Chief Minister's coaching scheme for entrance examination to professional courses with classes online in a Rungmira. Kalachi Manipur with Department of Education School na sponsor samita course paid with fees department china Miki Kachina. Kalachi EE maningaka need kamakan katam now pingwi katam kashir zadwaki kachi lila sarkarna katom mira da hanga. Chief Minister Biren Nakahang Shokarwi School Fakat Hansi Mission Azingli Worshim Shaka Muka Vahaira Kala Arila Worshim Shaka Muka Vapaifra College Fakat Hansi Mission Azingli Manipur with government colleges li quality kakashung higher education mikhavai leiran facilities pay mikhavai sadalei kaji CM Nahang. Kala Star Education Program azingli Manipur with education system li kangiche khira khavai chishud me pingli training miya kachi hangsanga. No Manipur kaho Manipur with general knowledge apor sarkarna masangla pongmi haura kachi CM na chisha thaira. Coaching classes wuivang kapangkhui kahai katam nau ping wuivang ek bet ma ke nam campaign azingli tingrong lingasang angran angaye makhok mikhavai directors of education school li CM na hanghaira. Manipur Sarkar na inner line permit ILP regulation kater chisha thaira. Hangda khalei state kati wi eina Manipur li Chiribam district li ragazang ping wuivang na. Mayengpam Vito Singh Joint Secretary Home with official Chanpao li kahang Chiribam li khalei ILP checkpost Kate li ragazang Indian citizens ping li simiksho thumra thang wuivang temporary ILP mira. Regulation katarhi Assam Shong ina Thangajida Chiribamli Lei wuivang Razangda Khalei wuivang nachi. Thangajida Shok Sangkasa Ping wuivang system wi ina exit Sajing Majila Tumrat Thang wi validity kagup temporary ILP expire kasali exit Sanaura da hanga. Tangkhul Katamnau Saklong na district quiz competition rungmi haira. Higher secondary school level we ngahan ji ukrul down hall li rungmita ngahan jili higher secondary worship shini na sharokhuya. TKS na makhok khami district quiz ji KTL Excel Higher Secondary School na Yuhaira. Alice Christian Higher Secondary School na kakhane kala Patkai Christian Academy na kakatumali zanga. Ngahan jili current affairs general knowledge kala naka thotrinjan we personality khangahan sada kadam nau pingwi ngachaili theithang khame lengasa khawai kasana. Ukrul Zadi O Ochot Chili Ngasunda Achi Schools and Colleges Ukrul District SCUD na thanda protest pamra dalei. NAP 2020 we azingli Zadi O na makhok mida aya APAAR Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry Orientation Program kwikara da legasana da hanga. Katam gashili katomida khalei institution li pom high kami otsak chili condemn sada education li free and safe zone ngasang sa khawai concerned authority li pohaira. Ya ritra khawi mirinli sazu kapai lekhang sak otsak chili khoka sada makhamaya ngawau khawai achi ukrul Zadi O office mangali sit in protest pamrada leya. Protest chi aji ngator bungtrali pam pok haurachi. Kazipung aina maizai lung alungli khalei schools and colleges pingna protest chilling a room kavai schools and colleges Ukhrul district SCUD na kanghot shoka. Forest Department Government of Manipur we Forest Guard Otpam we entrance examination aju we direct tharathang rungmi gidale. Forest Guard regular kala Forest Guard contract post we porikha thagi the khalei ping wuivang na. Porikha ji thagi the khalei Ukhrul aina Kamchong district we candidates kayakha wuivang exam centers imphali Tami hai kasa nga Jamida Examination Center Ukhrul Higher Secondary School Ukhrul District li Tami Haira. Examination Center kala allotted roll numbers chi Forest Department website forest.manipurforest.government.in li yangkhui paira. Maram hiwivang Ukhrul Forest Division Divisional Forest Officer li ngahan paira. The Menglongli Wildlife Sanctuary Reserve Forest Maningaka Protected Forest Haikavai Kasali The Menglong District we long at the day dana Makamaya Pongshok Haira Maram Hili Makamaya Ngavau Kahaili Rongmei Naka Council Liangmei Naka Council Zame Naka Council Inpui Naka Council Inpui Naka Union Village Authority German Council German Secretary Association Tamenglong, Zaylet Wildlife Sanctuary Affected Village Committee, Jiribam Makruk Village Sanctuary Action Committee, Kala Women Wing Tamenglong Hiping Hi Zanga. Maram Huivang Long Bing China Wildlife Sanctuary Protected Kala Reserve Forest Maramli Awareness Program Battle Hall Baptist Church Tamenglong District Headquarters Li Kwikaya. Ngalei Karar ngahong kongre kongra hi local pingwi karing karak identity culture wuivang darkar saya gachi hangta wildlife sanctuary reserve forest maningaka protected forest designate sakami jina atumwi karing karakala zatkhana ngashanli sajara da longping jina hanga. Wildlife Sanctuary Reserve Maningaka Protected Forest Designate Saka Hitharan Ramnauping na Jihanda Khalei Karar Ngahong Natural Resource Li Access Kamhaura Ramnau Karar Ngahong Li Hanshirai Kapa Kai Kapa La Small Scale Agriculture Hikatha Saikorali Kahab Later Ramnauping we Karing Karakli Saz Haura da Tamenglong we Longping Jina Makamaya Pongshoka. Tamenglongli Wildlife Sanctuary Reserve Forest, Maningaka Protected Forest, Haikavai Kasaji, Indigenous Naupingli, Mangasan Tuwa Gachi Hanga. Jiaka Kahak Twilep Ji, Local Communities Pingli Kangasan Maleilak, Masaran Mana, Free Prior and Informed Consent, FPIC Li, Shurana Gachi Hanga. Wildlife Sanctuary Designate Kasa Maningla Apong Gate Ramnauping na Kangaja Dimlon Kavang Kakui Gala Nauta Wuivang Masazagi Gachi Kaponga Karing Karak Ara Shurbaya Gachi Longping China Hangsanga. Restrictive policies Maperla Local Naupingwi Mashunli Kaya Shikhavai Bota Wildlife Sanctuary Reserve Forest or Protected Forest Designate Sakhavai Kasaji Khalan Khavai Timan Sahira. Shorkar with doctors being private practice Kasama Maya Marata Manipur Health Minister Dr. Sabam Ranjan na Hangmatin Haira. Regulation Magasure Dr. Ping Jili Legal Action Kwira the Health Minister na Hang Haira. Maram hi College of Nursing Lamphel Padwe Tharata Gagatuma Foundation Simiksho Kamayon Gala 2024 to 25 first semester batch BSc Nursing students we oath taking ceremony li kahangna. Minister Ranjan na angran angye chili masawa sada kamatwili health sectors li kasak later khalei maram hangta government doctors pingna private firms kala clinic li practice sada khalei we maram hanga. Government doctors being na government institution li ya release service kamili focus sarana private practice kasa government doctors li legal action sampangra da Minister Ranjan na hanga. Shorkar na nursing community lila mathalak ina katom mikhavai saya gaji hangda issues khalei le yangsang khavai sarada Ranjan na hanga. Manipur li khalei thadau nauping wi long re saki kachi thadau inpi Manipur TIM sem haira INP sem kahai chi achahon thang Guwahati li kapam thadau convention 2024 li chishat khamina thadau INP Manipur wuivang convention jina PUH James thadau li president PU Michael Lamjathang Haukip li general secretary kala executive members shini kapang sanghaira convention chili ponda thadau INP jiripam TIJ la sem haira TIJ ji TIM wi azingli leira da hang lakhavak thadau INP general headquarters na thadau community international TCI la convention chili makhamaya phongshok haira TCIG yarina mandate kasa maning mana kala thadau nauping li represent sakhavai TCI li authorized masahai mana ta thadau INP general headquarters na hanghaira chithada sada Guwahati li kapam thadau convention chili tuilep khui ka hai chi mazat na marada thadau INP general headquarters na hanghaira thadau INP general headquarters wi president na kaji Chongbu Kipken na kahang TCI na Guwahati li makhok khami thadau convention chi thadau INP li khangasan la INP chiwi khamaya mazang la kasana chi 2024 Prime Minister's Internship Scheme PMIS wuivang application misang khavai Indian Sarkar Ministry of Corporate Affairs na khangahot shokhaira Prime Minister's Internship Scheme Pilots Project azingli India wi khanuithot pingli internship sakhavai apong mita khaleina Scheme chiwi azingli opportunities 1.25 lakh ka dalei kala Manipur wuivang internship slot hang shini da thruk leidale khanuithot pingli hands on training mita athumli otpam samphang pai mikhavai katom khami kasana internship chi kachang Tharada khani sara kala chuwe kachang tharuk hands-on experience samphang sak ki kachina worshimli katam kasha eina kachang khat ot wakasali khangate khalei chi ngshim mikhavai kasana hangda khalei internship wi maram online portal www.pminternship.mca.government.in li yangpaira Khanuithot zingkum magada akha aina magada mati wi alongli khale class 10 12 ITI polytechnic diploma kup kahai maninga kha graduate saikorana apply sapaira kala internship hi zangki kachi mipa chiwi shimkhurwi mi government employee masa phlongmara la 2023 to 24 wi income lupa lakh chishat makhalang pingna apply sapaira Prime Minister's Internship Scheme wuivang mingchen kasa ajiwi direct tharana khana wasara scheme hiwi azingli internly kachang khawi stipend lupa thingphanga mira stipend ji corporate social responsibility CSR sada companies pingna lupa shaphanga kala thingmati shaphanga sarkarna miki kachina Internship atam wi accidental expenses wuivang internally lupa thingthuruk natei da mira internally Pradhan Mantri Jivan Jyoti Bima Yojana kala Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana wi insurance coverage la mira da hanga kala chiwi premium amount chi central sarkar na mira National Sports University NSU Manipur na makhok khami East Zone Inter-University Badminton Tournament aya Khuman Lampak Indoor Stadium Manipur li hapokhaira Mayar na wuivang makhok khami East Zone ngahan chili University Deems hang phangata chishat na shirakhuidale Power, Forest, Environment and Climate Change, Agriculture, Science and Technology with Minister Thongam Piswachit na masowa sadavazanga Minister Piswachit na Manipur Badminton Association with President la sadalei Minister Piswachit na khamatwili ngarew ngahan wi kankhana kala khokha kasali ot ngarut kakhui maram kasatsanga tournament ji tarik thrathang kupsangra United States of America we presidential election li Republican Donald Trump na kahaira. Democratic nominee Kamala Harris li yuikwida zingkum 78 Trump na America we hangmadida kashine president ngasara. Itum na paningung bai 2017 to 2021 terms pungta Trump na USA we hangmadida kapanga president sai. 2020 kum Trump na nganing rishida ka hitharan Joe Biden na kahawa. Achala ka Grover Cleveland we atam we eina zadra ka high zingum 132 we tili office li non-consecutive terms kani phungki kachi Trump na kareng sai. Itum na thaipai USA we thodrin chan li crimes wuivang convict sa ka high president la Donald Trump na kareng saya. Presidential election li ka high wuivang ogatui we kathana ngadatei da India Prime Minister Narendra Modi zangda Donald Trump li congratulate sangrok haira. Humpung Kate kala Shomi Memorial Sports Meet li ngachon kawai sada thaiso na Fed makok mitale. Fed chi akamadarik chishat eina chiko thang mini stadium Bakshi ground humpung li rungmira. Atam na ngathor pung thara eina tuida ngazin pung mati eina tangda. Fed chili rajang kawai thaiso na yarui saikorali ngahotale. Hiwi maram 9362893431 maningaka 977495663 li ngahanwa paira. Ladluita achiwi kamtaya paupi. Ukrul Zonal Education Office Pamli Pom Hai Kami Otsakli Hunpun Gala Humpum Village Authorities na makamaya pongshok haira. Police na FIR thasang haira. Manipurli Chief Minister's Coaching Scheme for Entrance Examination to Professional Courses launch Sahira. Manipur Sarkar na Inner Line Permit ILP Regulation Qatar Chishat Haira. Achiwi pau he na ngachang haira, pau na da clay Nathum saikorali Ringyaophi kala kamhai simikshong saserana.